USB Autoscope HO2s Heated Oxygen Sensor Testing. Malfunction symptoms: high fuel consumption, poor engine performance, increased vehicle emissions, malfunction indicator lamp on, possible malfunctions, failing oxygen sensor. Appearance of the sensor. Wiring diagram of the oxygen sensor. In the program menu, select Lambda mode. Start the engine. The sensor starts working only after warming up to the operating temperature. The signal amplitude of a good sensor should change from about 0.1 volts to 0.9 volts. With an increase in engine speed, the switching frequency of the sensor increases. This oxygen sensor is in good condition. This oxygen sensor is failed. Conclusion: the oxygen sensor is subject to aging. This leads to a slower reaction to the composition of oxygen in the exhaust gases. In some cases, freezing of the sensor at a low level leads to a strong enrichment of the mixture. Conversely, freezing of the sensor at a high level will lead to a lean air-fuel mixture.